Hey, welcome back to my channel. YaeTek new premium quality AC air conditioning. Application: compatible with R12 or R134 or refrigerant. This air conditioning compressor is very common to see in the street rod show car community. Fits many hot rod applications. It's a great AC compressor, upgrading from the early York and Tecumseh AC compressor. Warm notice: before install the compressor, the AC system must be properly flushed and cleaned. Please hire a professional qualified technician to install the compressor. This compressor only contains assembly oil. Chrome-plated V-belt pulley AC air conditioning compressor 12V for Sandin 508 style. Tested 100% to OE specifications. Replacement: Sandin #508 chrome-plated 12V V-belt pulley. Premium service life in various operation conditions. Compatible with R12 and R134A refrigerant. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.